All right, what's happening here, Harrison?
It comes off.
The sticker is coming off?
Yeah.
So do we need a new Cub Cadet sticker for our back?
Yeah.
Okay, well, you know what we're going to do? We're going to ask if we can get a new sticker.
Oh,
maybe we can order one.
Or maybe we can not just have it.
Or not have a sticker on the back? Well, I guess that's a possibility too. It has been such a dry summer, Harrison, that we've not been able to mow the lawn as often as we usually do, huh?
Yeah.
All right, you know, since we haven't been on the lawnmower in a long time, you want to take a little ride?
Yeah.
All right, let's take a little ride.
You almost spider web.
I know, there are a lot of webs here because we have not been riding this very often. It's been sitting here a long time, and we went on a cruise, right? We went on a cruise. Not everybody's seen video of that yet, but we will have it on our family channel. I'll see you down there. Woo! So please subscribe to our family channel, Duke Harrison Family Fun. Oh, Harrison.
Yeah.
That's where we have videos of kind of the family fun stuff like we do, like going on a cruise.
Live. Bye.
Like and subscribe.
Yeah,
all
that
right.
was the mower too.
Oh, okay. Well, let's see if this works, okay? All right, let's turn that up. Come on, there we go. Okay. Ready? Where are you going? Turn that way, Harrison. Oh, there's no way to go. We're backing up, okay? Silly boy. Yeah, we're going backwards because I'm going backwards. Something that was not good. All right, hold on.
What happened?
I don't know.
What happened?
I don't know. It's smoking.
It might have broken down.
It may have broken down. Something. We weren't doing the motor, but maybe a belt broke. Something, Harrison. Look at that. Maybe the oil. Whoa.
You know you got the back.
Something is up.
I think we went over these.
You went over it and that's what caused it? I don't know. That was not... Okay, well...
Something happened.
Something happened and we're going to have to check this out. That did not sound good.
Yeah.
All right, well...
We got me.
Our engine is... Wow, wait a second.
What?
There looks like there's a break, like a tear right there.
PID?
Yeah, hold on. Uh-oh.
PID.
Something broke. Look at that. Look inside there and you'll see that the metal broke. Like there's like a tear right there. That's right there. Like there's a crack there, Harrison. So something burst. So we are...
We need to get a new lawnmower.
We need to get a new lawnmower.
Yeah, we do.
You know what? We may fix this lawnmower before we get a new lawnmower. All sorts of grit, metal shavings and stuff in the oil tank. So that is not good. I think we gotta figure out what's the matter, and maybe we'll make a video after we know what the solution is. But for now, we got a broken lawnmower, and there is no way this thing is going to be working anytime soon. All right.
No, just look in here.
Well, we weren't running that part.
No,
so
something might be in here.
you want to see if something's in here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it gotta be something in here. No. I told you it was wax.
Well, yes, that's from the last time we mowed, but it's been in there a long time. All right.
Oh, I think it's not leaking. Oh, no noise. There's no noise.
All right. Well, stay tuned, everyone. We'll see what happens with the lawnmower. But for now, for now we are going to say goodbye. All right, Harrison. We need to get a new engine, maybe. Yeah. So, huh?
Oh, we can tell Kia.
Tell Kia. Your idea is to tell Kia from Puppy Dog Pals.
Yeah, I'll go.
Because Kia can fix things, so she might be able to fix our engine, our motor. Well, it looks pretty, it doesn't look good, Harrison, for the engine.
Yeah.
I think
It's rusted.
it's busted, and you can see all the oil leaked out. We're going to look into getting a new engine, and we are going to see what it costs to replace it, and possibly we'll have to get a new lawnmower because a new engine is, pretty expensive. So I think what we'll do first, Harrison, is we're going to look up and see if we can find a used engine, find out how much it costs to replace it.
Yeah, maybe one of these are broken.
That's not broken. It's all on the front. Problem is that there may be other parts that are broken as well. So
yeah, but it's all a spider web. I don't know who's making them.
Spiders usually make spider webs.
Yeah.
At least that's the immediate.
Yeah, but this never broke down.
I mean, the only other problem it had that was significant was batteries being dead, right? Which we could always recharge the batteries or buy a new battery. And the cable underneath here broke once. We didn't necessarily do a video about it, though I have lots of videos. So maybe sometime in the future we'll do a video about how the
down here?
Yeah, underneath here, the mower belt, it's like the deck belt. It makes it move.
And beak?
It broke, yeah. And remember, I had it up on a ramp, had it lifted up like that, and could look underneath and all that. You don't remember that?
Yeah, but I'm not big deal.
You weren't there?
Yeah.
Let's look back at the video evidence and see.
Okay.
All right, so now, Harrison, I put on the front bar. I have this on here loose. It's supposed to be a tiny bit loose. I have two more of these to put on. One right here when I bring this down, and then one on the other side. Okay?
Oh no, I walked down.
You fell down? Well, anyways, Harrison, so why don't we say goodbye to everybody?
Yeah, bye. Bye. Be alive.